actual key thing which you have just started on, geometrical isomerism. What do you understand by geometrical isomerism? Explain in your own words, please.
Well, like the isomers are formed due to the restriction due to double bond or cyclic.
What is that restriction?
Like the bonds are the pi bonds, pretty much.
What does
They
that
keep you restricted.
Effectively, rotation is going to be hindered.
Exactly.
Right. So if
Yeah,
I'm going to be
rotational
having,
isomerism.
if I'm going to be having, say, two bonds between two places, it's like two things connected like this. So if I'm going to be holding it like this, if I want to rotate, as you can see here, I'll have to break the graph.
Yeah.
It has to break. They end up being something which cannot rotate because they end up intertwining each other. So it has to break here. So only when something breaks can I basically rotate the graph. So the rotation requires breaking of the pi cloud between the systems over there, which is going to be a problem. Same thing applies for ring also. If I had it connected like this, then this side rotation, I need to basically break one of them. I unfortunately do not have my molecular models right now here. Normally I keep it here, but I do not have it now. So next session, remind me. I have it in my car right now. So yeah, I had some work with that in the office. So I will get you the actual models and show you the idea that I wanted to show you in Sigma bond itself last time. But that got postponed at that time. I'll get the things and show you this time. That'll be easier. Now, geometrical isomerism. What other parts have you learned so far? What kind of systems have you learned showing geometrical isomerism? Have you learned the nomenclature for that?
Cis and trans VLAN.
E and Z not yet done.
And yeah, I don't know. Yeah.
Abhikile, then you have not done geometrical also. Your teacher has just touched on geometrical and basically still continuing on geometrical. Is it correct?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, then let me not poison the well unnecessarily. So let things happen the way. Any doubt so far in geometrical you have?
No, sir.
Sure.
Nothing. Yeah. Yeah.
Sure.
Yes.
Which examples have you guys talked about in geometrical so far?
Alkenes, sir. Butene.
Only alkenes?
Only alkenes.
And alkenes, you guys have just seen like 1 or 2 cases so far.
Yeah, 3 cases. Yes. Yeah.
Butene, then?
It's crotonaldehyde, and then this cinnamaldehyde.
Or cinnamic acid, which one?
Cinnamaldehyde.
Cinnamaldehyde, okay. Basically pH and CHO, no?
pH, yes, that's it. Yeah.
And the other one was hydrogen and CHO.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you have not done anything right now in geometrical. I do not want to poison that part there. Go learn. Any other questions or doubts you have? If there is nothing else, we'll wind up the session. How much time has it been today? Has it been the 1.5 hours or whatever we normally sign up for, whatever the thing is?
Yeah, I think it's 1.5 hours then, yeah.
Sure.
That's
okay. But tell me what your status is in organic so far. How are you finding it? Nomenclature kaisa chal raha?
It's fine, sir.
Fine, fine is a very pity word to hear every time.
It's like it's going well. Yeah.
Okay, you're comfortable so far.
Yes.
And,
so far, I'm fine.
All right. Are you practicing?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Which book?
My teacher sent some PDFs. I'll tell you the name. It's some Pearson Advanced Problems in Organic Chemistry.
And you have enough practice problems available, no? Share it with me. I'll have a quick look. Should be fine. Your teacher has sent now that fellow seems quite good. So, and which topics has he sent in so far? Nomenclature ke liye ba?
Only nomenclature. No, I mean he sent the full book.
PDF book அது.
Yeah, PDF. I'll send it.
Organic.
1 second.
Send
He
it.
sent a bunch of them, but then should I send all of
Sorry?
them? I'll send. He sent like many of them. But I'm only.
You're using one of them specifically, is it?
Yes, yeah.
Has he recommended that you guys use this one, or what has he recommended?
No, he just said he didn't really say anything. He just sent it in the group. So like,
I understand.
he said practice those. Yeah. If you have any.
How many books has he sent you in the group?
5.
Send me all 5 of them.
Yeah, I sent it.
Or at least tell me the names.
Loading. MS Chauhan, Organic Chemistry, Advanced Problems, and then only 4 he sent actually. My bad. And then this Pearson one and this Balaji.
What is the second one you said? What is the author?
Pearson.
PS?
Pearson.
Pearson. Okay. Huh.
Yes.
Who is the author name?
Then 1 second. Akshay Chowdhury. I don't know.
Okay, all right.
That name. And then the last one is a question bank. GRB Quota question bank.
Okay.
Yeah, I sent them, sir. I think you must have received them.
Yeah, I sent it. Okay. MS Chauhan ka 2 version.
Yeah, and then solutions are there. Second one.
Solutions. This third one is the Pearson, is it?
Yes, yeah, third one.
And this is which one?
Balaji. I don't know the name. This was MS Chauhan, never mind.
Oh, you also MS Chauhan only, okay.
I think a different publisher, I guess. Yeah.
And he's recommended you work on this one.
Not really, but I just did this one. It looked kind of better.
I think I know which book this is. I remember this was getting popular by the time I was getting out. So I have a feeling
it looks nice. I just wondered.
Yeah, this is very good. This is very good. Yeah, this is
the
very good.
last.
No, I remember this book. This is very good. Yeah. This was the one which was getting popular in China campus that time as well. That's very good. You can definitely work on that. That's the best one there.
Okay.
Yeah. You picked a good choice. That's the best one to sit and work on. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Oh, sir, I have a doubt in this. I forgot to ask.
Okay.
Sir, can you go to page number
I just closed that. Give me a second. Let me open that again.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Yeah, tell me.
Page number 560.
560, huh?
Yeah, you can type it. You're not.
Yeah, I realized.
60. Question number 9, sir. It's wrong, right? Like, how is that even possible?
Question number
9. CH2 whole thrice. How?
There's a tiny error, nothing big.
CH3 whole thrice.
Yeah, it's CH3 twice.
Oh. Yeah, then it would be correct, yeah. Because the H is a. That's what I thought, but then I was like, why not leave it?
So it's effectively CH3 twice.
Okay. CH3 whole twice. CHOC.
Then it'll work.
CH2OH.
This is the compound.
Okay. Fine. So
Figure out. I'm not going to waste my time on this. This is a complicated little piece of shit here. This book has
Yeah.
a lot of these kind of
Took me a
questions.
while. Yeah,
It's
it does.
meant for that. So yeah, but my sincere recommendation, if you're finding this very irritating, because each question will take time, because
Yeah,
ultimately you need some practice. I don't deny it, but you need some confidence building shit also. If you're not having no problem with taking the beatings in terms of time here, then cool, play with it. This book is the best to play with over there. But see, organic, this is why I was asking how comfortable you are in organic, because the books you use for organic have to be suited to what your comfort level is. Because the first key thing is you have to goddamn fall in love with organic.
Yeah.
If you are not feeling happy about solving organic questions, don't touch the book. Do you understand what I'm trying to explain here? Practice में भी तुम्हें प्यार आना चाहिए. It should, the ideal situation where you can say you're
Hello?
when maths and physics you're getting bored, and to maintain
Sorry,
the yeah,
your
can you hear
voice
me?
broke. Can you repeat?
Can you hear me more clearly now?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
So the idea here is, the ideal situation you should come to in organic is when you are studying maths and physics, you are in a flow. You're getting bored. You're getting distracted from the flow. You should use a few organic questions to basically keep the flow maintained and then come back to the other one. You should enjoy solving questions. That enjoyment factor is very critical. It should not become tedious like this. This question is tedious.
Yeah, it took very long. Like these questions took pretty
You
long to do.
understand what I'm trying to explain here a little bit more now?
Yes,
I
sir.
agree that this book is the best among the ones which your teacher has sent you, which means there's a reasonably high chance one or two questions will plop up from this shitty book in your exam. That's why he sent you these. There's no other question. There's no other purpose why he's done this. This him covering his ass. No, seriously, that's all it is. Nothing much else. I've also done the same thing. So I know how the game gets played there. This is him covering his ass. There's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing correct also with it. But at the same time, that means your teacher is probably not setting the paper this time.
Yeah, he's not going to sit for a while. Yeah.
So somebody else is setting and he has gut feeling that they're going to be playing spoil sport. So my recommendation would be this. Go through this book towards the end of your prep. Go through. Like ये वाला question तुम्हें solve करने से कुछ फायदा मिलने वाला है? नहीं. What's the only फायदा you are going to be getting? You will learn how to do that kind of weird little you'll understand. Correct? That this is the key thing here. Remaining is bullshit. Fair?
Yeah.
Yes. So you learn how to name that crap. Look at the options. Figure out what's the correct answer over there. Don't waste time on these kind of questions. Recognize what is the crux which has to be learned from that question for you.
Okay.
What is the crux? How to name that type of crap. So what can you do for that? या तुम्हें ये question देख लिया तूने, बड़ा गंदा question लग रहा है. Look at the answer.
Yeah, I saw the answer.
Then see, track it back over here and see how that thing connects. That's all. That's enough for you.
Yeah, that's what I did for this. Yeah.
That's enough for you. Don't sit and waste too much time on this book here just because there are good questions here. You understand what I'm saying? These good questions are not going to show up in any goddamn place, excepting your fucking internal exam. That too once in a while only.
Yeah.
They're not going to show up in advanced. They're not going to show up in mains for goddamn sure. Don't waste time on them too much. So organic mein, pick books which are fun for you to solve more than what will help you for exam, at least in the first few stages. So if you're finding this tedious, do it towards the end of your practice.
Before phase.
Fun shit done. You have to start feeling solving questions is fun. If you do not feel like that, please approach differently your practice, because that is necessary. That is necessary. Because in the later parts, that is going to be very critical. This is the easy part where you should find it fun. You're only going with the tedious now, not the right approach. That will give you results in this exam, but that will not work in the long run. Why am I saying it will give you results in this exam? Because you will get marks. I'm not saying you will not get marks by doing this. You will get marks by doing it.
Yeah.
But they are not going to show up in your JEE exams finally. These are false blowing your own trumpet up. So put yourself first, then you go for the marks over there. The marks are satisfying your parents in the short run only, nothing else. And they will only boost your ego up in the short run a little bit here and there. So go solve questions which are meaningful first. Check out old JEE. Same practice for everything good. Nothing much changes. Old JEE. And in this particular case here, I would recommend logically organic mein different stages, different books. First stage mein, if you want basic practice, comfort in that, GRB wala Himanshu Pandey is good. MS Chauhan's basic version is also quite good. That has enough complex shit in it. Up to a JEE advanced level, it is good. MS Chauhan's advanced problems will be where a reasonable chunk of your questions will show up from in your exams. Along with this blue color book.
Yeah.
And MS Chauhan is going to be purely having, what to say, it's like MS Chauhan book, if I sit and solve now, I won't solve the questions. I will look at the questions and I'll know what the answer has to be. The fellow's bullshit is that all the questions will have the weirdest possible thing. It's like you go this way, you'll never get the right answer. You have to go like this and then touch. Only then practically every third question will be like that. So it's all about getting into that rhythm of scratching your ass the wrong way. It doesn't help so much. Accepting exams. But it will help there. I will shamelessly say that it will help there. I have been in the process. I have been in enough systems to know it will help there. But it is not that it will not help in the other parts. It will help lesser. The extent it will help is going to be lesser. So my recommendation is get comfortable with questions of these calibers, but don't spend too much time. Don't invest too much time on any one book. If you are investing any, large quantum of time on any one particular book, it has to be JEE related directly. It has to be old questions from JEE mains, old questions from JEE advanced. That's where your largest quantum has to be invested in terms of time.
Okay. So all the previous year questions, they're nothing related to like IUPAC and like isomerism. There's very less.
I'm not saying you have too much in this. I never said this topic is important, did I? But previous year questions, you are misunderstanding one very key thing there. They will give you the name and they will expect you to basically do some reactions with it. So without knowing the goddamn name, converting it to the compound, you will not be able to do the question at all. You'll not be able to touch the question, enter the question.
Okay, I see. Yeah.
You understand what I'm trying to tell you now?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
When you're
I've seen questions.
Yeah. You should not look at it as a nomenclature-based question only.
Yeah. You'll need to like
generally go through the organic chemistry questions. You will not understand the question, but you should look at the compound they are using there. You should know whether you know what they are.
Okay. I'll do that then. Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So that is the type of thing which you should plan for in this part here. IUPAC and nomenclature are not tested much.
Yeah.
And if they get tested, they'll get tested at a very basic level. So don't waste your time on all of this hyper complicated, hyper bullshit thing. But I will say this, you will see this shit in your exams, in your weekly exams. The fact that your teacher has given this blue book was popular in China campus at that time when I was leaving. Basically, I can see where what is coming from. So Fiji used to be very good by themselves. They used to trust their own thing. Hyderabad men, unfortunately, the competition for them is Narayana Chaitanya. So they also, the teachers there are influenced by the unfortunate teachers in Narayana Chaitanya and the China campus here. So it's inevitable. This blue book is good. Don't take it wrong. It's a very good book. It is very fun to sit and solve, but not at this stage. At this stage, it will only be tedious for you if you try to solve. At this stage, go a little bit more cleverly about it, but do not follow the clever method in that blue book for all. This chapter, it's okay. Different chapters will have different approaches, and you should try some of those questions more seriously. Because the blue book is better than MS Chauhan. MS Chauhan, as I said, every chapter is like this. The blue book is sometimes elegant. Very elegant sometimes. Later chapters, it's very elegant. More closer to J Advanced than MS Chauhan for sure.
Yeah.
We'll wind the session up here now. I also have to go piss. Drinking too much water. When is your next session?
I guess Wednesday.
Okay, all right. So Wednesday then. See you then. By that time, I think another 2 or 3 sessions should be. Yes.
Yeah. What books do you recommend for like theory for organic? Or should I just stick with my class notes?
As of now, your teacher's notes are good. Your understanding clear. So nothing required on that right now. Because your understanding is quite clean. Trust me, it's not bad. It's quite clean. Your isomerism, your logics are very clean. I didn't have to really poke you much in direction there. So I don't see any problems as of now. We will see. I do not know which book your teacher is currently following. So my guess is he's probably following Claydon. What does he follow? Any idea?
Sir, he told us to get this thing called Chittaranjan Bhakta. He told it's a good book for like reference. But it's like this big. Yeah, it's very big. Yeah. Yellow book.
Yeah. Yellow color, na?
Yeah, yellow.
This fat, yeah.
I don't want to get that, so I didn't.
Send me the book's name.
Okay.
And I am not particularly sure that is going to be good. I've not had a look at that book. I'll have a look at the book and then I'll comment on it.
Okay, yeah.
Because I've also, what to say, another friend of mine who I know his subject is good uses that fat book. So I know it is not bad. I don't know how good it is though. And I have not had a look at it yet. So send me the name, or if your sir has sent you the book itself, send that shit itself.
I'll try to search for the PDF. If not, I'll send the name.
Yeah, just send me the name. I don't think you'll be able to. You're familiar with Genesis Library?
Yes, sir. I'm checking there and yeah.
Oh, you're familiar with it. Okay. Then take it. Okay. All right. I'll see you on Wednesday then. Bye bye.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Bye.
See you.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Have a nice day.